Hello dear students, welcome to Chem Class Academy. Today I am going to explain solved problems of density. You learned last class H2 calculation of density. Different ways, that is using triangle method, that is mass to volume, volume to mass, density to mass, density to volume. So in last class you learn how to calculate density in different ways. Today some problems about density. The first problem is, if a liquid weighing 500 grams and occupies 1000 ml, so what is the density of liquid? So the formula of density is mass by volume. It is formula about density. So mass is 500 grams and volume is 1000 ml. 1000 ml. So give four options and 0.5 milligrams milliliter per grams, and second option is 2 milliliter per grams. But the units of density is gram per milliliter and kg per meter cube and gram per centimeter cube. It is the units of density. But to calculation density about this calculation is 500 grams. The mass of liquid is 500 grams and volume, it is occupied, the liquid is occupied 1000 ml. So 500 grams by 1000 milliliters and cancel. So 5 by 10 equal 0.5 gram per milliliter. The option is, it is correct option. C, option C is correct option. And next question is, next problem is, the mass of beaker 70 grams and add some honey up to 8 ml. See here, it is beaker. So the beaker weight is 70 grams. 70 grams. So you add some honey up to 80 ml. So it is 80 ml, 80 ml, 80 ml. So up to 80 ml honey is added up to 80 ml. The beaker mass is raised to 90 grams. So total, it is total 70 grams after adding 80 ml of honey. The total weight is 90 grams. 90 grams. 90 grams. So what is the density of honey? What is the density of honey? Give the four options: 0.025 grams per milliliter and 2.5 gram per milliliters and 0.25 gram per milliliter and 25 grams per milliliter. So here the weight, the total beaker weight is 70 grams and after honey add to 80 ml up to 80 ml in 90 grams. So 90 minus 70 is equal to 20 grams. So the weight, the mass of honey, it is the mass of honey. So the density of honey is equal to mass by volume. इसको mass is 20 grams and volume is 80 ml. 80 ml. So 0 cancel, 2 by 8, it is equal to 0. So 40 So it is 0.25 grams. 0.25 grams. The value is 0.25 grams. The option is C. The option is C. So this is easy to calculation the given problems. And next problem, see here, third problem is the water is filled in a beaker up to 20 ml. So the mass of water is 19 gram. So what is the density of water? So you take beaker, it is beaker, to fill it in up to 20 ml, 20 ml of water. So the weight, the weight of this water is 19 grams. 19 gram. So the 20 ml, it is up to 20 ml. The weight of water, the mass of water is 19 gram. So what is the density of water? So density is equal to mass by volume, the formula of density. So here mass is 19 grams by 20 ml. The volume is 20 ml. So almost the value is 0.95 gram per milliliter. So it is equal to 1.0 gram per milliliters. So the option is B. The correct option is B. It is almost equal to 1 gram per milliliters. Then next problem, problem number 4. A 50 gram of stone, 50 gram of stone has a volume of a 9 ml. It is 9 ml volume. What is the density of the stone? So in this, density is mass by volume is equal to, it's very simple, and mass is 50 grams and volume is 9 milliliters. So it is the calculation, it is 5 and 0.5 and 0. So 5.5 gram per milliliter. The option is 5.5. This option is C. 5.5 gram per milliliter. So see the next question, next problem is, okay, problem number 5. It is the volume of rectangular stone is 80 centimeter length and 5 centimeter height and 7 centimeter width. If the mass of stone is 6 kg, so what is the density of rectangular stone in gram per milliliter and kg per meter cube? So rectangular stone is, it is a rectangular stone. First you find out volume of rectangular stone. So 8 centimeters length, 8 centimeter length and 7 centimeters height and 5 centimeter is 5 centimeter height and 7 centimeter width. It is so calculate the volume of a rectangular stone. So height into length into width. So height is 5 centimeters and length is 8 centimeters and width is 7 centimeters is equal to, so almost all 280 centimeter cube. So it is, the stone is calculation to stone gram per milliliter and kg per meter cube. So to calculate gram per milliliter, so it is kg, 6 kg is convert to the grams. So grams, it is grams. So 6 kg by 1 into 1000 grams by kg. So kg cancel. It is 6000 grams. And centimeter cube, it is a conversion to the milliliter. So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml, and 280 centimeter cube is equal to 280 ml. So the density of you calculate density in gram per milliliter. So 6000 gram, the mass of stone is in gram, 6000 gram, and volume of rectangle in milliliter, 280 milliliter. So it is almost to 1.42 gram per milliliter. It is the gram per milliliter. So it is convert to the kg to meter cube. So gram per milliliter to kg to meter cube. It is the option. It is gram per milliliter to kg to meter cube. So to kg for meter cube, it is a conversion of gram per milliliter to kg to meter cube. So keep in mind 1 kg equal 1000 grams, and 1 milliliter equal to 1 centimeter cube, and 100 centimeter cube equal to 1 meter. It is keep in mind. And so it is conversion gram milliliter to kg to meter cube. So 2142 gram per milliliter, and into kg, 1 kg by 1000 gram, into 1 milliliter by 1 centimeter cube, and 100 centimeter cube by 1 meter whole cube. It is conversion of gram per milliliter to kg to meter cube. So here milliliter and milliliter cancel, centimeter cube and centimeter cancel. So 2142 gram, the gram for gram cancel. It is by 1000 gram, 1000 into kg, 1 kg. So kg, but it is 214 into 1 kg, 1 kg, and into 1000 100 meter cube by 1 meter. So 1 meter and whole cube. So answer is it is 2142 into 1000 is equal to 100. So 214,200 kg per meter cube. The answer, it is answer is 214,200 kg meter cube. So answer is the gram per milliliter is 2142 gram per milliliter. It is 2142 gram per milliliter, and 0 point is not correct option, and 214200 kg per meter cube. It is option is C. C option correct. The option is C is correct. So it is easy to calculation of a density problem, and next part, it is part 1, and next part I will explain next video. Thank you very much.